Wildfires are becoming more frequent, unpredictable, and devastating. Industries and communities face major challenges each year, locating new fires quickly, predicting their direction, and using existing data to prevent future incidents. Traditional systems work in isolation, leaving critical gaps in information and response. That's where Firesafe comes in. Firesafe turns new and existing infrastructure into a powerful detection and analysis network by gathering data from surveillance cameras, weather patterns, drones, and satellites. Firesafe delivers real-time, actionable insights, from long-range detection to predictive modeling. Connect a Firesafe camera or existing camera system into the Firesafe Intelligence Hub for long-range AI detection, gaining real-time information that matters most. Pull together multiple sources into one unified view that removes the noise. Easily installed camera systems in multiple locations allow for large-scale detection areas, which are processed through our central hub. When a fire breaks out, every second matters. Firesafe uses advanced detection algorithms for near-instantaneous smoke and fire notifications, alongside predictive modeling to simulate fire spread and severity. It can also forecast potential future fires, allowing for proactive management, from strategic placement of wildfire detection cameras to fire breaks and improving infrastructure resilience. Firesafe doesn't just use simple weather data. It detects, models, and forecasts with patented software solutions and partner integrations. Firesafe's wildfire detection solutions include pole-mounted cameras or mobile trailers, powered by solar or smart generators for remote operations. High-performance cameras detect fires within 2,800 square kilometers and can optionally deploy drones to verify and provide situational awareness to teams. With real-time alerts sent instantly to email and digital devices, emergency responders can deploy faster than ever before. Firesafe's risk analysis and modeling tool identifies weak spots in your detection coverage, helping you decide where to place long-range detection systems, enhance fire prevention strategies, and model fire spread, empowering smarter decision-making, better preparedness, and action. Firesafe provides several key advantages. Unified, integrates all data and systems in one user-friendly dashboard. Predictive, uses cutting-edge analytics for accurate forecasts. Flexible, works with any camera or network provider. Actionable, delivers real-time alerts and first responder insights. With Firesafe, communities and industry can move from reactive to proactive. Join us in protecting people, property, and the environment. Firesafe. Predict, prepare, protect. Join the future of intelligent fire prevention. Visit firesafe.live to learn more.